Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Minds Academy podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Amanda.
Hello, Amanda, and hello to all of our listeners. It is so good to be back today.
And a big hello from me, too. I'm Blake, happy to join the chat today.
It's great to have you both back, Greg and Blake. How are you doing?
I am feeling wonderful. Thank you. Very happy and very motivated.
I'm feeling great as well. I had a busy week, but I'm ready for our fun topic.
Ooh, motivated and ready. Those are great words. You both look energized.
Thank you. I had a very productive week. How about you, Amanda? How was your week?
My week was good. It was busy, lots of work, but I am happy it is time for the podcast.
Me too. I love talking with you two and everyone here.
And today we have a very fun topic. It's a topic everyone loves.
Ooh, a fun topic. I am ready. What is it?
Ooh, a fun topic. I am ready. What is it?
Welcome back to the English Minds Academy podcast. Learning a new skill. Ah, yes, that is a fun topic.
I love this topic. It's so encouraging.
Yes, we are going to practice how to talk about learning something new in English, how to ask questions, and how to answer.
That is so useful. Talking about happy things like a new hobby is a great way to practice English.
Absolutely. And learning new words to talk about your goals is perfect English practice.
Exactly. But before we talk about new skills, we have a small request for everyone.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this podcast with them.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support is amazing. Okay, Greg and Blake, I am ready. Let's talk about new skills. Okay, so Greg, you said you are very motivated.
Yes, I am. And you were not here last week.
That is true. I was not here.
So, what did you do with your time, Greg? Did you take a break?
Yes, I am. And you were not here last week.
Uh-huh. I knew it. That is wonderful, Greg. A new skill? Tell us more.
Yes, I will. I am very excited to share my experiences with everyone.
That's great. It feels good to start something fresh.
I am so happy for you. So, we must ask, what did you decide to learn?
Yes, I am. And you were not here last week.
When you are comfortable talking about simple things, your colleagues feel comfortable talking about big things with you.
I love to cook too. I love the smell of the bread baking in the oven.
Me too. Which kind of bread did you make?
I made a type called sourdough.
Sourdough. That is a very tasty name.
It is, and it was very good.
Oh, good. Did you use a special recipe?
No, not really. I watched a lot of online videos. I did not have a teacher. I just followed the instructions.
Ah, a modern way to learn. That is very resourceful.
Exactly.
So tell us, how was it? Was it a difficult skill?
It was challenging. Really. I did not think it would be so much work.
Wow. So what was the hardest part?
The process was long. I had to be patient and wait for the dough to rise.
Patience is a skill itself.
It is, but I feel so proud. I made 3 loaves.
3 loaves? That's a success story. Did you share the bread with your friends and family?
Yes! I gave 1 loaf to my neighbor. They loved it.
That is the best part of learning a skill, sharing the result.
So, that was my new skill. What about you, Amanda? do you have a new skill planned?
Yes, I do. I have a new skill coming next month.
Wonderful. What are you going to learn?
I am going to learn basic computer coding.
Computer coding? Oh, very different from baking bread. No flour, no oven.
I know! I want to build a small website.
That is a very practical skill. How will you learn?
I will watch videos, but I will also take an online class with two of my good friends. We will meet at the library.
An online class and a study group. That is great motivation.
I think so. It is a big skill. I need to bring my laptop and a notebook for notes.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
What about you, Blake? Do you have a new skill you are working on?
Yes, I do. I'm learning to play the harmonica.
The harmonica? A small instrument.
That sounds fun.
It is. It's small, so I can practice anywhere. I started just last week.
That's fantastic. How are you learning?
I found a very simple instruction book. I practice for 15 minutes every morning.
A simple book and 15 minutes a day. That is a very good rule for learning.
I think so. It's not easy. It's hard to make a nice sound. But I am very motivated to play a song by the end of the month.
That is a great goal, Blake.
We will have to hear you play a song on the podcast soon.
Maybe. If I can make a nice sound.
So, we all love learning new skills.
Yes, everyone loves new hobbies, and it's a great topic for English practice.
It's a fun and easy conversation to have with someone.
It is. Let's review some of the easy words we used. The main words are new skill or hobby.
And to ask a question, you can say, "What did you learn?"
Or what are you learning now? And the answer is I learned to, or I am learning to.
You can ask, how was it? Or how is it going?
And you can answer, "It was a challenge," or "It is rewarding."
Or simply, it's fun.
And a very good question is, what did you do to learn?
Yes, you can say, "I watched videos," or "I took a class," or "I practiced every day."
All very useful words for talking about your life.
Well, Greg and Blake, our time is almost finished for today.
Oh, you are right. Time flies when we are talking about new skills.
It was great to hear about all of our plans and progress.
Thank you to everyone for listening to us today on the English Minds Academy podcast.
Yes, thank you so much. We really hope this conversation was helpful for your English.
And please don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a like, a thumbs up.
And if you have any questions, we would love to hear from you.
Yes, in the comments below this episode, please tell us, what new skill do you want to learn this year?
Tell us what you want to learn and why you want to learn it.
We are so excited to read your answers in English.
It's true. Well, thank you again, everyone. We will see you next time.
You too, Amanda. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.